Let's make some caramel apple dip for our family Christmas party. To make this, you're going to need 3 blocks of cream cheese, some powdered sugar, some Heath candy bits, some caramel, and some vanilla extract. After you've got your 3 blocks of cream cheese, we're going to do about 1 cup of powdered sugar. You're going to want to mix the powdered sugar in slowly. I just used a hand mixer. We added about a cap full of vanilla extract. A quick taste test and 1 final mix. Pour your cheesecake mixture on the bottom and spread it out evenly. We had to take out a little to sample for ourselves. And then you're going to take your tub of caramel, you're going to microwave it for about 30 seconds and then stir it and another 30 seconds until it becomes a little softer. And then just pour that all over the cheesecake and spread it out. Once you've got your caramel all spread out, you'll sprinkle your Heath candy bits on top of that. Now all that's left to do is cut up some apples and enjoy. This was a super easy recipe. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you would try. Thank you all for tuning into this video, and this is how you make caramel apple dip.